understanding Elon Musk, and we look at the chart of Tesla. This is not trading advice. This is just looking at numbers, like I look at the forex. What does it mean? This let's look quickly to the cloud. The cloud. Yeah, we have to look a little bit more in the future. Look, it's going up. Okay, but it looks also a little bit that it is going vertical. So this one is going vertical. So I think we are more in a range. But it's good sign. This is probably the floor of the cover. This one is going to break out. So I think next week I expect it will break out somewhere, and that will mean that we will have a stronger upper course. And this is aligned. It's now the 21st, so this will be more aligned with next week the meeting for the investors. So I expect that it will go up. All things look good. The distance here is good. So maybe we see this is maybe too big. Maybe it will retract a little. Like maybe it will be a little bit retract, but I think after that it will go up. All the signs. This sign is here. This sign is here. This sign is here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and itself is going up. Is 5. We have 5 of 5. Let's look at the pivots. We see that this pivot is very strong, so it probably will move around this. This is around 200. We have an upper pivot and a lower pivot. The pivot is aligned with this cloud, but I think the cloud is stronger than this pivot point, and we have to look next week what the pivot will be. I hope the pivot will be somewhere. Let me make a green side. I hope the pivot will be somewhere here, and the PP will somewhere here, and then the first one will be here. So we have a nice sliding uptrend. So that is what I expect. I think we will not take it out this month. We will not take out this point, but I think we can take out this point. But I also see a retraction around this point. So we have a range between this. I again say if you are an investor, so for the long term, keep on buying little by little. I expect a breakout after the meeting. For day traders, I don't advise to take any position now. Maybe just keep a little bit waiting, or if you do, we don't know if it goes up or down. It can go down, it can go a little bit down and then go up. I would expect, because this is the form of the cloud, so maybe we will see a movement like this. But for the same, it can also go up all the way, and then if you think you have a sell position, you will lose that sell position. So for day traders, I will be more careful. I don't think it will stay in this range. It could break out today, or it could go down today. So the risk is too big. But if it spikes very much down, and it does it over 2 weeks, we got the beginning of the week, maybe we can find a low point here somewhere, and then we can do a buy position, because I think it will recover after the meeting. For investors also, so you can keep on buying, or you can just take a pause and hope that it will go down. Maybe that's a good idea, but I think also if you have you can if it is not a very big weight on your spending, I would also buy this week one stock around here somewhere, and then maybe if it comes lower, you can buy an extra stock. So we do one by one. I think that would be a nice thing. Or you can, if you have more money, you can maybe do a multiple of one. But I think we have a very low. I think we will move up, but I'm thinking that we will see a spike down and then a spike up. So I would wait a little bit for my money to spend, a little bit for a pullback. It also looks like a little bit like a pullback, and this is also, yeah. So, but the thing is that we have here a resistance. It can be that it will move around this resistance for a while, and that is what I already expected. I said already previous that it will be waiting around 200, and then it will break out after the meeting upwards. So that's it, and have a nice day.